cousin of Jesse James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, there's a truck driving legend in the South today, a man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Ever give Jam knows his name. They swear he got ice water running in his veins. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's gonna go to glory riding 18 He left Atlanta back in '63, hauling him a load up to Tennessee. He hit Monte Eagle in a driving rain, so hard he couldn't even see the passing lane. Well, he started down the street where he lost his key. Hit them brakes, found he had no air. Monte Eagle grade is steep and long, and everybody that seen him thought the bandit was gone. Awesome. Oh, tell me.
Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch no bandit run.